Is it time to buy or sell Amazon stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Amazon. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 16th of July, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 28th of May, 2025, our system has ranked Amazon as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 1.09. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 9.02%. This results in an average return of 0.27% per day since its designation as a buy candidate. The stock lies in the middle of a strong rising trend in the short term, indicating that a further rise within this trend is anticipated. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 24.79% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 18.65% to 28.49%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 13.57%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 11.18% to 30.10% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $198.24 and $290.36. Our latest daily update for Amazon includes the headline, Red Day on Wednesday for Amazon stock after losing 1.4%. The Amazon stock price fell by 1.4% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 16th of July, 2025, dropping from $226.35 to $223.19. During that day, the stock fluctuated by 1.76%, reaching a low of $222.18 and a high of $226.10. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days, and is up by 1.24% over the past 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day by 5 million shares. Although this occurred amidst falling prices, this may signal an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 39 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $8.74 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock's highest price was $242.52. while the lowest price stood at $151.61. Currently, the price is 7.97% or $19.33 below the 52-week high and 82.90% or $1,082.01 below the all-time high reached on the 15th of January, 2018, when the price peaked at $1,305.20. Amazon.com has made headlines today with a significant legal victory, as a federal judge dismissed a proposed class action lawsuit from Prime Video subscribers challenging the platform's decision to introduce commercials unless users pay a $2.99 monthly opt-out fee. This outcome may alleviate concerns among investors regarding potential backlash and subscriber churn, which is promising for customer retention and revenue stability in the short term. Additionally, Amazon recently experienced a boost in its stock price, with shares gaining 2.4% following the successful Amazon Prime Day sales event. This positive momentum reinforces market sentiment surrounding its retail operations, likely enhancing short-term investor confidence. On the technology front, Amazon Web Services continues to strengthen its offerings, exemplified by artificial intelligence company subsidiaries launching new solutions on AWS Marketplace. Such innovations reinforce Amazon's competitive edge and enhance its position in the expanding AI market, essential for long-term growth. Long-term investors should view these developments favorably. The legal victory and retail growth could lead to sustained profitability, while advancements in technology bolster Amazon's strategic position in the cloud and AI sectors. Together, these factors suggest a promising trajectory for AMZN, inviting further investor interest and potentially driving stock appreciation in both the short and long term. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 11th of July, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned Amazon a rating of overweight with a recommendation to hold. On Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, Citigroup reported a rating of market outperform for Amazon, also recommending a hold. On Tuesday, the 8th of July, 2025, Roth Capital assigned Amazon a rating of buy with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 1st of July, 2025, Bernstein gave Amazon a rating of outperform with a recommendation to hold. On Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025, Citigroup also provided a buy rating for Amazon, accompanied by a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Amazon stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. For return on investment, the analysts award the stock and strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Amazon. The Amazon stock currently has a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Given that the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a favorable outlook. If the stock continues to rise, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $223.49. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $215.23. A breakout above the short-term average would trigger a buy signal, whereas a breakdown below the long-term average would indicate a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the short-term trajectory. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Tuesday, July 15, 2025, with the stock having decreased by 1.4% thus far. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume increased in conjunction with the falling prices yesterday. This could serve as an early warning, warranting closer monitoring of the stock. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 13 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 49 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 52 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 18 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 32 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 27 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss. For Amazon, on the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $209.69 and $190.20. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Amazon finds support just below today's level at $209.69. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $190.20 and $189.98. This stock is typically traded at a good volume, and with minor daily changes, the risk is considered to be low. During the last day, the stock moved $3.92, which is a change of 1.76% between its high and low. For the last week, the stock has experienced daily average volatility of 1.45%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Amazon, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often observed in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $1.32. It's important to keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Amazon, In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Amazon is at $223.30. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Amazon encounters its first support level at $209.69. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Amazon from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Jeffrey Bezos, who bought and sold 6,816,505 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 97.032. Overall, insiders purchased 213,995 shares and sold 14,762,712 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $216.02, reflecting a decline of 3.21%. This stock exhibits low daily fluctuations, which translates to a reduced risk profile. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 1 day prior. Is Amazon stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Amazon stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 17th of July, we anticipate that Amazon will open higher by approximately 63 cents, starting at $223.82. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.